This is my 2002 F-150, and I had a bad seal here that fell out, and I replaced it, and this is what it looks like after I replaced it, and it turned out pretty good. Of course, you can't buy a seal online anywhere. I looked everywhere. They make you replace the whole window assembly, and you don't want to do that. So I'll show you what I used. So what I did here was I removed the rubber out of the windshield wiper. You basically just pull it out of these things here, and at the very end you'll have to bend this piece back to pull this thing out. And this has the same profile of the back window, pretty much the same. It's close, and I'm gonna try to put that in there and see if that'll seal up the back window. So what I'm gonna try to do is put this windshield wiper blade right up in here and just push it in here just like this, and it'll just be this back corner and a little bit of the flat side and that side being glued in, and just test fitting it here, make sure it's right, and use this thing to put it in there, and then I'll just glue it in. So it looks like it's going to fit good. So I can pull it back out. There we go. And what I'll use is the black super weather adhesive to glue it in. So I'm just going to glue here and back here and then push it back in. Alright, so I put glue on the back side and then a little bit on this side. I'm just going to push it up in there. I hope I don't make too big a mess. It's hard to do it from the back seat. Oop, yeah, I'll make a mess. You can squeeze the window a little bit to get it up in there. I'll probably wait for that to dry right there before I take it out. I got this tool from a Rove dash cam that I bought, and man, it works. It's a good tool for stuff like this. So I'll let that dry, and I hope this works, because I'm tired of the wind noise. See how that works.